Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. Today I'm going to do a roundup. Why? Well, why not? It's my show. I get to do what I want. This episode is brought to you by frankbrunolaw.com. So interestingly enough, the roundup that I had in mind is to talk about 4 cases that I received this week. 2 are about issues related to cemeteries, moving caskets, selling burial plots, right? So those 2 happened, and 2 are about revocations of powers of attorney. There's a roundup, just a cursory understanding of the issues involved. It amazes me that in the same week I'll get 2 of something and then 2 of something else. Issues, situations, they just, I think it's the matrix. They repeat themselves. So I mentioned the other day I had a client that my office is representing her in a divorce, and she also has estate planning documents with the spouse that she's currently going through a divorce with, and we're going to revoke those documents. And today I did a consult with an adult's daughter concerned over the issues related to her mother and father. The mother doesn't have a diagnosis, but has a physical infirmity, right? It's not as strong, physically strong as needs to be, can't really take care of herself. And the father is not really able to be the support system that his wife of many years requires, and that the family would want him to have. He does, in fact, have a power of attorney for his wife. So this call and inquiry, as are many in the elder law field, involved the discussion of the revocation of that power of attorney, the placement of the mother in perhaps an assisted living or a nursing home, or getting in-home community care, right? So we run the whole range of circumstances and situations. So a prospective client, will oftentimes present me with every situation. And it wasn't in a bad way. It's because they're intimately aware of their situation, their fact pattern, and what's going on. And they need redress right away. Circumstances solved. How do we do it? Boom. So we have to take things slowly and methodically. And that's really the only way to solve any problem in the law. We take a deep breath, we take a beat, and then we listen, and we solve one problem at a time, one foot in front of the other, the most pressing issue first. So in the case with the person going through a divorce with outstanding estate planning documents, we're going to revoke, we're going to revoke the power of attorney and the other documents. And for the situation involving the mother and father, with the father not being a support system and a caretaker, we're going to revoke his power of attorney as well, and put in place, really, after an interview, after fully vetting the situation, put in place a new power of attorney for another family member to take care of the mother. So you can only do a power of attorney if someone has the capacity to sign, to know. I don't want to go into capacity, but I will end on, you need capacity to do a power of attorney. You need capacity to revoke a prior power of attorney. So if you have any of these instances, situations affecting our senior community, elder law, anything affecting elder law, please reach out to me. frankbrunolaw.com. Be safe and well. Have a great weekend.